Soft shimmering keys begin to rise. Warm colors painting open skies. A calm breath fills the empty space as quiet dreams fall into place. A blank canvas, a quiet room, a vision waiting to bloom. Every whisper, every dream you hold, we start to weave them into gold. Step by step, the pieces align, turning a moment into design. Let it flow, let it breathe, a timeless tapestry we weave. Plan with grace, clear the space, bring the magic to its place. Every detail finds its home, with Orion never From the venue to the final song, where every melody belongs. The subtle lighting, the velvet touch, the little things that mean so much. No more wait, just effortless peace. Watch all the chaos finally cease. Let it flow, let it breathe, a timeless tapestry we weave. Plan with grace, clear the space, bring the magic to its place. Every detail finds its home, with Orion never alone. Your perfect day is taking flight, bathed in a beautiful, flawless light. Just relax, let it unfold. Every memory framed in gold. Plan with aura, soft and bright, fading gently into
Weaving threads of your grand design, every detail starts to shine. Turn your vision into gold, a timeless story to be told. Find your peace within the flow, let your perfect moment glow. Plan with grace, it's effortless, the final touch of happiness.